Hey Lisa, I'm playing with the new knit stitch editor tool in Clo, and I just wanted to show you real quick. So this is actually just regular fabric. I know it has a name, Knit Demo 2, but that's what this white top one is. But if you open up any fabric and select it, you can go down and change the fabric type. It's probably gonna default to just fabric matte, and scroll down to the bottom and choose knitwear. And when you do that, it's now knitwear, and you can pick this little yarn ball to do a custom stitch, or you can even choose this drop down menu, for example, and like do like stockinette, which is kind of like the t-shirt thing. So it's kind of cool for students to see the different stitches, I guess, and like really zoom in. And then if you were to pick that little ball, dearie, let's see here, I gotta reset this. There we go. This is the stockinette. Yeah, so I guess this is the stockinette stitch. But like, let's say you want to change it to be rib. You can click like, each little stitch. There we go. The top, and, make your own rib. And then, so it looks like I got myself a 1x1 rib happening here, and then hit apply. And then you can see it's like a rib knit, I guess. And then you can change the gauge, like if you want it further apart, and you could change the thickness of the yarn as well. Click apply. So it's kind of neat to play with that, and as well. The only thing is though, for whales, it will only do up to 12 whales. So your pattern has to be kind of small. And the reason I say that is because I'm playing with the Knitting Patterns 1000 book, where it has a whole bunch of cool, unique swatches. But a lot of their swatches are more than 12 whales of a repeat. So that's where I kind of discovered that. But I'll send you that other video of how I was playing around with it. But I thought this could be cool. I mean, and then this is like skip stitches, the other one. Right here. So like if you skip some, there you go. So let me hit apply. And then, so here, this is what I was trying to do from the book. And then this one too is another one I was trying to do from the book. So, yeah, but so right now they have 4 stitches. I feel like they probably need to make more types of stitches eventually, so that you could actually use the book, the codes in the book. I don't know. I'm still kind of learning, but I just wanted to share with you.